Doing a video of the two 2005 STX 900s. Just a quick walk around. Just some normal like trailer stuff under there. Best I can do it. Some kind of scratches on there and there. I mean, nothing that's going to affect your hole or anything. I don't know, it's not the best quality video, but that's what it is under there. It probably looks worse in the video than it is, but that's smooth right there. It's just, I don't know, just not black. There's a little scratch right there along the edge. Walk around here. This is the one that doesn't run, by the way. Isn't it this one? Yeah. There's the seat. No rips in the seats or anything. This is what I was talking about, the canvas strap. The black stuff's off of it. New hydro turf all down through there on this one. Oh, curl around back here. Kind of stuck. Video here. I'm about ready to fall down. Let's look underneath here. Here's the jets, just your normal whatever. That's just kind of dirty from water. It'll clean off there, see? Yeah, it's just dirty. Kind of peek in there, look around. There's the exhaust. Here's the drain plugs, two on them, one on each side. Here's the bumpers down the rails. There's this one. This is the one that runs. Just had it out Labor Day weekend. There's the jets on it. Try and get Chet to open up one of these so you can see the engine. This is the one that runs. There's the engine. Just your typical wire, spark plug, head, air breathers, exhaust. Down in there, just everything that you would expect to find in there. Speedometer, there's that. There. Got records, whistles, all that stuff. And you got your hoods up here. How's that open? Is that locked? Oh, there it is. Alright. There's that fire extinguisher, some ropes, your oil reservoir. That's where you put your two-stroke oil. There's your hose for when you run water through the engine for, I don't know what for. Gas fill. Your mirrors, both are in good shape. There's this one. The engine compartment looks identical on this one over here. There's that. Down there. Not really much different than the other one. Little storage place here just for whatever. And your storage there. Your little hood and glove box here. Down there. Here's the trailer. There's your spare tire. Just your typical, got a little dolly wheel here. Hydro turf sticker. Your typical winch jack setup. Pulled up to a where's the bumper at? Oh, there's your bumper down there, one over on that one as well. The underbody of this one here, just a dirty spot. Not quite as many scratches. A few right here on the bottom, at the very bottom of the hole. Goes all the way back. Just trying to get as good a video as I can. What you can see here. I can't really get on it very well, but there's that, bumper railings. I guess that's pretty much it. Here's your two skis. This is the one with the bad engine. This is the one with the good engine that runs. Paint's good and shiny. They look good here. Paint's good on both of them, except for obviously underneath the few scratches that are on the bottom. Seats are in good shape. Hydro turf mats. New on this one too, all the way back. Clear around on both sides. So that's it. That's your two jet skis to the best that I can show you a video. Thanks.